Hi guys, hope you're having a safe Easter. I just wanted to post like a quick tutorial of After Effects feature that I've been using for a few years now. That's really cool. It saved me on a lot of productions. It's the wiggle expression that I will be talking about. I'll keep it brief. It's a small tutorial. So let's say you have this layer that you want to have like a wiggly kind of animation to it, and you don't really have time to animate it by hand. So there's an expression that you can use. If you click alt click the position, for example, you get the expression window. So you can just type in wiggle, and then it takes like two parameters, one for the frequency and one for the range that you want to use. So just write something arbitrary like 50 or something. So if you press play now, you'll see that it will start moving around. And if we add to the frequency, you'll see the effect be a little bit bigger. So yeah, you can play around with this to create all sorts of effects, and it loops, of course. You can also apply this to pretty much anything that has like the possibility to add expressions to it. So let's say, for example, I also want to add this to scale, for example. You can just alt click that, just delete that, paste it in, and you'll have this effect. Just take that further and have that added to the transparency channel. See what happens then. Yeah, so that's pretty handy. Times I've used it a lot on productions. Fun little thing that saves you a lot of time. So yeah.